Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stella. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. The nation is currently divided over Song of the Year 2022 because King Monada won Song of the Year for his hit song Ayekua, while Mampintsha also won for his song Ngeke. Monada won votes on the Spedi radio station Thobela FM and other Gauteng stations including Motsweding FM. Basically, you guys, he is the all-around winner, and Mampintsha only won vote on the Zulu radio station Ukhozi FM. People are divided and they've spoken out and said there should be only one song of the year to avoid tribalism, you guys. So one tweet actually wrote this. He wrote, all SABC radio station must play one song of the year that will unite the nation beyond tribal lines. This thing of a big Nas in KZN and Monada in Limpopo must come to an end. Take us back to the times of Brenda Fassie, DJs Boo, Mafiki Zolo, etc. We want one song. Now there you have it, guys. Please do engage with me in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.